Alright guys, I am back. So we have 2491 Artifact Double Box Break. 2491 Artifacts. Sorry guys, I've been lazy. I've just written down the numbers and the product. Alright, so here we go. We start with a rookie number to 999 for the LA Kings, Adrian Kemp. Pack number 2. We have a base card number 599's Henrik Sedin, Vancouver Canucks. So we have 2 hits here. So basically, in artifacts, usually when you have a redemption, you have 2 hits. So we have number 599 Carolina Hurricanes, Rob Brandamore. And we have for Toronto Maple Leafs rookie number 99, Emerald. All right, next up, we have Aurum for the Detroit Red Wings, Mike Green. We have a patch. Let's do that one at the end. We'll have to keep that for the end, guys. We have Artifact Orange, number 55, Rob Brandamore. That's funny. 2 in the same break. We have a rookie redemption for the Blues. Probably going to be Tage Thompson or Vince Dunn, maybe. But I would say Tage Thompson. We have a year 1 rookie for the Arizona Coyotes, Christian Vorak. That's it. And we have a patch. Let's see what we have. We have a patch number 65. Jersey patch, Brendan Saad, Columbus Blue Jackets. Alright, so this was for the first box. Let's move on with the second. Alright. First pack, we have a rookie number 999, Samuel Morin for the Flyers. Pack number 2. We have a dual jersey for the Flames, Doug Gilmour. I think it's a short print. Yeah, short print number 99. And this one we have a patch. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to do it at the end. I'll have to do patch at the end. Rookie redemption, Wild number 217. This is going to be done at the end. Base card number 599, Legends, Mario Lemieux. Emerald number 99 of Roberto Luongo. Rookie year 1, Jimmy Vesey, New York Rangers. Next up, we have Artifact Ruby number 399, Anaheim Ducks, Teemu Selanne. What do we have over here? We have a nice rookie patch number 99 for the Arizona Coyotes, Clayton Keller. Nice one for the Arizona Coyotes. So let's do the random. So this one is going to be between every team in the break, of course. So let's do this. Alright, so let's do this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There were 31 items in your list, and on top is the Washington Capitals after 3 times. So there you go, guys. I'll be right back with Trilogy.